Dreaming of a healthy lawn that doesn't cost the earth or your water bill? Good news, you can have both, and it starts with a few simple changes in how you water it. In South Africa's summer rainfall areas, lawns like Kikuyu tend to go brown in winter. That's totally normal and good. They're not dead, they're just going dormant. Watering during this time does more harm than good. It wastes precious water and puts added strain on already stretched urban water systems. Instead, let your lawn grow a little wild. Aim for a blade length of around 5 centimeters. Taller grass protects the soil, keeps the roots cool, and helps lock in moisture by reducing evaporation. And while it may be tempting, avoid parking on the lawn. It compacts the soil, which makes it harder for water to get to where it's needed. If your lawn feels hard, dry, or patchy, use a garden fork to aerate it. This opens up the ground and improves water penetration. Now, for the big one, timing. Water in the early morning or late afternoon when the sun is low. In many Gauteng municipalities, it's actually illegal to water between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. And it's not just about the rules. Over 60% of that water would just evaporate in the heat anyway. Only water when your lawn truly needs it. Look for the signs: blades curling inwards, footprints that stay visible, or a bluish-grey tinge. That's your cue to give it a proper deep soak, although this should not be necessary in winter at all. And don't waste water on the paving. Make sure your sprinklers are aimed at the lawn and only the lawn. Organic fertilizers. Less is more. Smaller, regular doses are better, as too much can harm the soil and wash into rivers. And replace narrow or awkward lawn areas with indigenous turf grasses like kweek, also known as cynodon. They're hardy, low maintenance, and built for dry conditions. Caring for your lawn doesn't have to drain your time or our water supply. With a few small changes, your lawn can look great and be water-wise. Uphold the values of using water efficiently and stay informed by visiting our Randwater WaterWise website or follow us on our social media platforms for more water conservation tips.